Today the tea is warm, heartfelt, and honestly a little tearful. We are talking about one of Mzansi's most talented actresses delivering a performance that has everyone reaching for tissues. Award-winning queen Zenande Mfinyana. The legend from generations, the queen, and now owning the screens as Thumeka in Inimba on Mzansi Magic, left fans in absolute tears this week. Her scenes as Thumeka saying goodbye to her son, they hit deep. In the latest episodes of Inimba, that powerful drama about love, sacrifice, family bonds, and a mother's unbreakable love, Thumeka faces the unimaginable. Her son Kamva is in hospital, machines keeping him alive, and the heartbreaking decision comes. Doctors have to switch them off. No mother should ever go through that. Zenande brings it all. The silent pain, the tears streaming, the raw grief as Thumeka holds on, prays, and finally lets go. Fans are saying it's one of the most raw scenes in SATV this year. Social media exploded. People posting, "I'm still crying, Zenande is a gem." As a mom, I related so much and was deeply touched. This was brutal. A decision without the mother's full consent. The episode trended, with fans giving Zenande her flowers. Truly gifted. You deserve all the awards. Urorogile ngwanyana. Her acting is pure, honest, and deeply felt.
I miss you.
Why is this hitting so hard? Thumeka isn't just a character. She's a mother, fighting for her family, rooted in faith, making impossible choices. The body language, the eyes avoiding contact when hurt, the silent screams. It's not loud drama. It's real, quiet heartbreak that lingers. Fans are relating as moms, as women who have sacrificed, and praising how Zenande makes us feel every layer of Thumeka's pain. This isn't just good TV. It's a reminder of how powerful storytelling can be when it's this raw. Zenande Mfinyana is a national treasure. From her early days to now, she's evolved into one of our best. Inimba fans are showing love. She owes us nothing, but she gives everything. She has that timeless talent. And this week, she broke hearts and won even more fans. If you are watching Inimba, how did those scenes hit you? Are you Team Thumeka all the way? Spill it all in the comments. Spill the tea, family. Zenande Mfinyana as Thumeka just gave us TV gold that left us in tears. Pure talent. If this touched you, smash that like button, subscribe for more heartfelt Mzansi spills, and turn on notifications so you catch every emotional moment. What other scenes or shows have you crying lately? Drop it in the comments. Until next time, sip with love, hug your loved ones, and stay emotional.